friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox Sony 32 GB pen drive which I bought from Amazon. So here is the pen drive. It's white with a retractable button, LED indicator. It costs 1100, but I bought it at the rate of 649.